Welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a McCulloch Mac 1010 chainsaw with a 22-inch bow bar. And that bow bar has a 3/8 pitch chain on it. These were real popular in the early 70s for cutting brush, doing Christmas trees. Very popular combination. The bar looks like it's new. It's still got the writing on it. Just been hanging around in the shop for years. And we'll take a look at this close up at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is right in the middle. It's got a manual pump for the oiler. The operator presence lever right here. The choke is right here on the opposite side. In your lifetime, you'll probably spend more time staring at your TV than looking at your significant other. Got a working chain brake. And the oil reservoir is up front. And it's got that unique bow bar. And just really popular for cutting brush, Christmas trees, pruning. This was a real popular setup. And it does run very well. I won't be making a cut because I don't have any brush around here to cut, but you can get the idea what this is used for. A vintage saw from the 70s.